Hi there, it's Suzanne checking in again today. And today we're going to assemble the Quietfire tote. And it's an easy construction. It comes in all sorts of varieties. I'm constantly adding to the new designs that are based on the shape. So this is how we're going to make the basic tote. And we're going to use the sunflower tote as an example. So first you're going to cut all the elements in the colors of your choice, and then you're going to come along to all the perforated score lines and you're going to fold them up, just like this. Now once you have them folded, give them an extra little push down with the bone folder. And then open everything up and flip it over, and this is where we're going to apply the adhesive. Now you want to use a nice strong adhesive because you don't want this popping apart at an inopportune time, especially if it's full of treats and goodies. And when you apply the adhesive to the small tabs, you don't have to notch out every little notched area there. The tape seems to stretch quite nicely once you take the release paper off, and it holds really well. So remove the release paper from the side tab and bend it over. Now align the sides and press them together. And then fold all those little tabs to the inside and remove the release paper from one side, and then take the bottom and align it with the side fold. Put one hand inside the tote and push those tabs down as you're applying the base with the other hand. It's a two-handed job. I know you can do it. And then remove the release paper from the other side and repeat the process, and everything should line up perfectly. Just use those fingers inside to ease the side of the tote out to the shape of the base and press down. And it's that easy. How cute is that? And then apply all the embellishments that come with that particular design. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.